morning, and welcome to this episode of waking up in the morning, traveling across the country, and camping or sleeping or whatever you want to call it. Missouri Welcome Center last night. It was a beautiful welcome center. It was nice, lighted, very safe, very comfortable. But I'm TrevDev, and this is Dukkie. We are traveling around the country to show you what it's like to live or camp or weekend camp in a small microvan. And this microvan needs a bath. So once I get home, it'll get a nice scrub down. And I'm here to show you guys the reality of filming and traveling around the country. This is the reality of traveling across the country. This is the reality of sleeping in a small microvan. This is the reality of camping. This is the reality of traveling. This is the reality of reality. Alright guys, well, we had to stop at another truck stop because I needed to bag up Dukkie's food that I cooked yesterday before I got spoiled. We're still in Missouri. We're heading to St. Louis. That looks like a newer one. The reality in traveling, this is what happens. Stop and go traffic. St. Louis. Arena. St. Louis Blues. Nice. Nope. State line, Illinois. It just shows how much I know my states. Fortunately, when you travel, it seems like you always gotta go pee all the time. Dukkie, you hungry? You hungry? Beautiful. This rest stop is in Illinois. Oh. Too bad they couldn't make it into a campground. Yeah. It's nice. Very nice. Canal Campground. Hey Dukkie, we're here. We're here. What's up, buddy? What's up, buddy? Oh, there's another one. There's this bunch. Oh, there's another one. Deer everywhere. All right. Canal Campground, Tennessee, actually Kentucky. Look how close I'm to my neighbors. Talking about the close you can get. Man, you can fit a 100-footer in this bitch. Nice. We haven't camped since west coast of California. 95, 94, 95, 96, 97. I wish I had 97, or I should have had 97. That would have been perfect right there. Nice little bathrooms over here. I should have got these ones over here. Oh boy. You know what that means, Dukkie? It's a beautiful day in Kentucky, that's for sure. That's a nice house over there. Takes up that whole peninsula. Dukkie's happy to be out of there and camping again. Look at the deer right there. Nice. The gatehouse. No wood sold after booth was closed. So this is Lake Barkley and weather forecast on stone. Conditions are stone's wet, it's rain. Stone wet on sides, it's a flood. Stone cold is freezing warning. Ice on stone is freezing rain. Shadow on ground is sunny. Stone white on top is snowing. Stone hot, so on and so forth. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Fisherman's Row. Besides the big old boat going across Barkley Lake. Let's go get a fire started, Dukkie. Oh wow, big tugboat pushing a barge. And I always think to myself, what if I had a wife and kids? Would we be camping? Would I be able to do what I'm doing? Most likely not. Just because kids are in school, you know. So there's like good things and bad things towards everything that we do in our lives. And this is my journey, and I want to share it with everybody. You know, I wouldn't be able to do by traveling 2 months, 3 months, full summer if I had a wife and kids. But meanwhile, I would love to have someone to share this journey with. Just saying. Always looking. Any single ladies out there? Any single ladies? Any single ladies? What, Kentucky? Can't tell if it's too smoky in here. It doesn't look too smoky. Insane in the membrane. Insane in the brain. We're gonna hit the sack, and tomorrow we're gonna be in North Atlanta. I decide to go drive home 7 hours or stay for another night. Or go somewhere else. I don't know. Because I really don't have to be back until Monday. I tell you, it's so much nicer to be able to have a destination, have a campfire. Definitely got a lot of smoke in here. So everything in this van, it smells completely like smoke. There is no doubt about it.